Hello world, welcome to Decode Mania. I am Sahil and I have developed an image gallery application using Bootstrap 5, jQuery, PHP and MySQL. And this is the last video of the series in which I'm going to show you how to deploy this application in live hosting server using cPanel. Okay, so I have a shared hosting on domainracer.com. So let me open domainracer.com first. And let me also sign in to my client area to access my cPanel account. Okay, so just wait. Okay, so this is my client area. Okay, now I will open my cPanel. Okay, so this is my cPanel account. Okay, and this is my primary domain. Okay, so if I just open this domain, then you can see there is nothing inside this domain. Okay, so I will upload my local project into live hosting server in this domain. Okay, so let's close this for now, and now click on this file manager to upload local project into live hosting server. Okay, now click on this public underscore HTML directory. Okay, actually open this directory and then click on upload. Okay, and then click on select file, and now open XAMPP folder, and inside XAMPP open htdoc folder. Okay, now inside this folder I have my project with name image-gallery. Okay, to upload this into live hosting server we have to first compress into zip. Okay, so just right click and send to compressed. Okay, now select this zip file and click on open to upload. Okay, so wait for upload. Now you can see upload is completed. Now click on go back. Okay, now this is our zip file. Now click on this and right click on extract. Okay, and click on extract file. Now open this directory again and select all. Again right click and click on move. Now we will move all the file and folders to this public underscore HTML directory. Okay, so just remove the project directory and click on move files. Okay, now click on up one label and delete this directory and this zip file. Okay, delete this. Now we have to set up database and table for this application in live hosting server also. So for this, again come here in cPanel and now just click on this MySQL databases. Okay, to create a new database. So here I will create a new database. So I will keep the database name webhost2 underscore and image hyphen gallery. Okay, and click on create database. Now you can see a success message that added the database and the database name is this. Okay, so remember this and click on go. Now next we have to create an user. Okay, so here you can see add new user. So here I will write root. Okay, and in password I will write some password. So here I'm writing my password. Okay, now click on create user. Okay, and now you can see this is the username. Okay, webhost2 underscore root. So remember this also and click on go back. Now we have to do one more thing here. So just go below and here just select the user that I have just created. Okay, so this is the user and this is the database, and click on add. Okay, and now click on all privileges and click on make changes. Okay, now click here and open phpMyAdmin. Okay, so to open phpMyAdmin, click on this phpMyAdmin. Now here we will import all the tables of the project, local project, into the live hosting server. Okay, so until it opens, just open your local host phpMyAdmin. Okay, so this is my local host phpMyAdmin, and this is the database that I am using in this project. Okay, so click on this database name and click on export and click on go. Okay, now I will export in desktop. Okay, so this is the file name. Now click on save. So you can see the local host database is now exported. Close this and open live hosting server phpMyAdmin. Okay, so this is my live hosting phpMyAdmin. So this is the database that I have already created. Okay, now click on this database and go to import tab. Okay, and now click on choose file and just go to desktop, where I have just exported from the local host phpMyAdmin. Okay, so this is the file. Select this file and click on go. Okay, now you can see the table gallery has been imported to this database. Okay, with all the records. Now just close this also. Now we have to do one more thing inside public_html directory. Actually we have to edit this config.php file. So just right click on this file and click on edit. Now click on edit. Now you can see these are the credential of localhost. So we have to change it to, so we have to change according to the live hosting server. Okay, so this is the database host, that is localhost, so it will be same. And in database user we have to write web host 2 underscore root. So this is the database username, and database password is capital D code decode mania @1234, and database name is web host 2 underscore image underscore gallery. Okay, now click on save changes. Okay, and next close this file. Now let's try this is working or not. So I'm going to open my domain, so just click on this. Now you can see my application is loaded successfully inside this domain. Okay, now let me try to upload new image. Okay, and see this is working or not. So for this I'm going to click on this upload new image. Okay, and here I will write test and select an image. Okay, so here I'm selecting this one. Okay, and click on upload. Okay, so you can see the image is uploading. So wait until image uploaded. Now you can see image uploaded successfully, and here also the image is displaying. Okay, and now let's try to change any image. Okay, so suppose I want to change this image. Okay, so click on this. Now you can see the full preview of the image. Now click on this edit icon. Okay, here you can see the alternate text, so you can change this also, or you can change the image. Okay, so let's select another image. and click on update. Okay, so update change image functionality is also working fine. Okay, you can see image updated successfully and the changed image is displaying here. Okay, now let's try to delete an image. Okay, so suppose I want to delete this image, so click on delete. Now you can see image deleted successfully. So that's all about this series. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you soon in next exciting video tutorial. Okay, thanks for watching.